Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Want to thank you so much for hitting that play button. If you happen to be stopping in for the very first time, my name is Chuck, your fearless host. And I'd like to try to bring you along with me on as much as I can. I'm a local LTL driver here in the great state of Oklahoma, specifically in the Tulsa metro area. And we are starting our pickups for the day. A newer neighborhood there. We're going to a place here I've only been to maybe 3 times, maybe 4. And they do like mufflers and stuff. So I'm going to be picking up 1 pallet from them. It's I'm in a twin screw today, so I'm not in my beloved single axle. Makes it a little easier to get into some of these docks. Not that this one is rough by any means. It's just, it's nice whenever you got that shorted wheelbase span. Everything kind of just maneuvers a little bit easier, but we'll get her done. Also, a huge shout out to everybody who's been sending in photos of their trucks. People have been sending those in. I've been sharing those at the end of the video. Again, that's just my way of saying thank you to all of the truck drivers out there that are helping move America. You're vitally important. You've always been important, but you're vitally important now. As you know, our supply chain is in desperate need of drivers, that's for sure. If you happen to have all your endorsements and you don't have any restrictions on your license and you'd like to get into maybe some local LTL work, definitely Estes is a great place to work for. I have a link down in the description where you can apply if that's something that you want to do. But maybe you don't have your license and you want to maybe look into our dock to driver program. We have several terminals that you can go work at, be a dock hand for 6 months, and then they'll send you to our driving school where you can get your CDL. And maybe that's something you might be interested in. And I'm kind of bent down here waiting on the green light, and you can tell this truck was driven by a road truck. Road driver. I got in it this morning and my goodness, the bugs are everywhere. I didn't have time to clean it off, so forgive me if you happen to be looking at a big old blotch on the windshield. But guys, I'll see you when we get over here to do this first. Our first stop's going to be right here. Well, they got a bunch of trucks in those docks. Doesn't even look like they have one that's open. It can be a little bit tight sometimes to spin around in here, again with a dual axle and a 53. Let's see what they got going on here. I think there's somebody in every one of these. So I'm gonna find out. Again, I've only been here a couple times because that one's in that one. I'm gonna run in there and see what they want to do. Maybe they just want to bring it out or something. We'll see. He wants to go down here where this garage door is. Because if you wouldn't mind going down here, it goes a little easier on you and us. That's no problem. So we'll just go right down here. Matter of fact, I may ask him in the future, is this kind of where I need to go? Like a good spot. Is this normally the best spot? I've only been here like one other time. Or do you normally back in over there?
Well, it really just, if it's just something small, like
yeah.
sometimes we got those big.
Oh, big stuff you got to take in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We usually got one of those docks open back here, but it should have to be all filled up today.
Is it going to matter which copy is going to be mine?
We usually keep the white one.
Okay. There you go. It's turning into a beautiful day here.
Oh yeah, it did. You betcha.
Thanks, sir. You too. Somebody commented in one of the videos, check that clicking noise. I said, well, I try to give you the full experience. I do try to edit out as much stuff as I can. Put that right there. Alright, I'm going to put this paperwork in real quick in my handheld, and then we'll see you guys at the next. Alright, my next stop is going to be over there in that corner of that commercial place over here. This right here is the, well, you can tell by those blue trailers what this place is over here. You'll see all of these bobtails that are sitting out here that are just, you know, waiting for them to call them to come in and get their trailers. See all those bobtail trucks over there? This place over here is always just jammed up. Thank you. Appreciate it. Some freight going into that place. And like in the mornings when I do, sometimes I'll do deliveries over there. They're literally back here all the way back to the stoplight, or stop sign way back there. It's insane how many trucks, trailers go in and out of that place every day. Get my horn. I gotta start honking my horn, getting in a better habit of doing that. There we go. Gently, gently. There we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna run in here and grab. I think I've just got one pallet, and I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, we're coming up. Just once we make this turn here, this next place we're going to, they don't have a dock. You gotta kind of back in off the street into their area, and they will come out, picking up 2 pallets here. You kind of got to back in through with kind of their neighbor's area. Right up here on the right. So I'm going to go into this little cul-de-sac, face that way, and I'm going to back. I'm going to use that white car right there as a reference and come up through there. Roll this window down right there. And gotta kind of go up. As you can see, I ain't got much room. Once we get it into that, cut it hard. A little bit more over at that other angle. I just try to stay off the grass as much as I can. I hate tearing up grass. There we go. Hope it ain't those right there. Those look kind of heavy. How's it going?
Good.
Here to pick up 2. Is it going to be these 2 here?
Sir.
Okay.
That day he threw us out, When we see that we're talking, so. What you got doing?
He's here. Hi, you got the bills?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just one.
All right. Yeah, and if you'll just sign that shipper one, if you want to make yourself a copy, you can.
All right. You said
Just right there where it says shipper, if you'll sign right there at the bottom next to my signature.
yes, sir. I'll make a copy and I'll be right back.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Looks like that might be a good time. What I may have to do is drag this back as far as I can. And then try to get up underneath it. Oh, these are pallets that have been connected is what it is. Try to get this centered up here. Oh, no, not a problem at all. Awesome. Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Uh-huh. This is gonna eat up some room. See how wide, much wider it is there. Might not be able to get another pallet over. So what I'm gonna do is say, Chuck, okay, how do you get out of here? You can't turn and go that way. That way kind of goes to a kind of a dead end area. So what you do is you do a U-turn. Come out of here, put your four-ways on. Miss that grass. Get all the way up in here. Do a U-ey. Just like that. That's how we get out of here. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank everybody for stopping by and spending a few moments with me. If you stopped in again for the very first time, definitely consider subscribing. Love to have you come and be a part of my journey as we're trucking through life. But guys, I want you to always remember that life is truly short. Definitely make sure you make it sweet. Now let's check out some of those big rigs out here helping move America. Peace.
Understand that you are no one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red.